what we got?
I spend a lot of time not speaking. I'm a graphic designer, so I'm always on the computer. But 3 years ago, I noticed my voice went from an alto to a soprano, and I don't know how to fix that.
Do you want to be an alto and not a soprano?
I want to know how to use it, because sometimes my voice turns into this like childish sound.
Yes.
And in my singing, my vocal lady is trying to get me to do one of our exercises is like when I am late, and my body just like freaks out through the whole song.
What's the song?
That opera song, when and it's like it's
I
really.
thought she was saying when I get late.
Me too. I thought she's
Will you change that around a little? No, I'm sorry.
Because it starts from like really deep to super high, and my body just freaks out, even though it's like a progression song.
All right. Several things, and this goes especially for women, but it can count for men as well. They get your voice higher, your jaw is very, very tight, and when we speak horizontally instead of vertically, it sounds like a little girl as opposed to a woman. And you are definitely a woman. So you don't want to sound like a little girl. You are disconnected from your instruments. And should I say this out loud? I have a big problem with forcing somebody to sing classically when that's not what you sing. There's a lot you can learn from classical. I studied it for a very long time, but it doesn't fit the genre. It doesn't fit what you sing. So you have to sing with your whole body. You have to speak with your whole body. Open all the way down. Just drop your jaw and open down. Now sing. Okay.
Okay. Oh, wow.
Okay.